Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Maudini Pramana Hasibuan. I am student at Politeknik LPP Yogyakarta, Program Studi Diploma 4 Pengelolaan Perkebunan. I will explain about the essay with the title Indonesia Palm Oil Environmentally Friendly and Sustainable. The oil palm plantation industry is a significant sector for Indonesia. Palm oil has a positive influence on economy and social growth, provides jobs especially for Indonesia people, and its role in Indonesia large agriculture export commodity makes palm oil contributes a large source of foreign exchange and tax revenue. Indonesia is the main producer of palm oil and is the largest exporter of palm oil in the world market. Indonesia share of palm oil is 55.5% of the world's oil palm plantation area and 48.27% of the world CPO production. About 77% the CPO production is destined for export. However, Indonesia's CPO export should be very safe. The price of CPO should be maximized quality well. This is due to the world's cultivation of palm oil plants to the management that still does not meet standard or regulations under RSPO. Indonesia needs a policy of increasing palm oil productivity through the People Palm Oil Rejuvenation or PSR program with the public-private partnership schemes, especially with select private companies or PBS. In Indonesia, oil palm plantation also use many ways that are not environmentally friendly, such as land clearing and burning, where it would certainly cause damage to the ecosystem in the forest. The use of chemicals that are not in accordance with the such and recommendation also cause plant and soil to become damaged or equally do bad uses foodstuffs. Of course, the makes the result of palm oil plants that have low selling value at the international level. The use of good environmentally friendly technology as well as the use of environmentally friendly fertilizer material should increasing the selling price of Indonesia palm oil plants. And also Indonesia must be able to make innovation in finished good made from palm oil in order to also increase selling price to international. There are several aspects that the author recommends and most prefer to Indonesia state to make Indonesia palm oil into sustainable palm oil. First, technical aspect. Sustainable palm oil must meet technical aspects that include land condition, climate condition, and technology availability. With the sustainable of this aspect of techniques which mean the climate and soil meets the requirement of growing plants and technology is ready, then the grade of high productivity technically already met the requirements. Economy aspect effort that can be made to increasing productivity include the use of quality and certified seeds, the use of fertilization technology that meets the right for, namely the right dose, right level on time, and the right weight of application. Maintenance of other crop such as weed control, root crop or harvesting, soil and water conservation, and proper harvesting. Rotation of herbs once a week per block or 3 weeks on the same tree. The production age of palm oil crop is 25 to 30 years, so that economical it will be very profitable and enter as an agribusiness commodity. Social aspect. Oil palm plantation must be kept by the community as the potential for agribusiness development, and the producer can be kept by domestic and foreign communities. With the oil palm plantation, it will open jobs and provide labor directly or indirectly, and the community can make it a livelihood. In addition, in other palm oil palm plantation to be kept by the world community, oil palm cultivation must follow environmentally friendly producer, not to make natural and have negative impact on the surrounding environment.